Can't zoom in that much. The pedia. Jay, the coricha.
Not just everybody looking at her.
Where's the pocketbook?
Wait a minute, she's gonna put it back down.
She's gonna dance with a cigarette in her mouth.
The pocketbook's right in the phone over there. Anybody can grab it and run. She won't even know.
Look at her. Where's she going? Now what's she doing? Putting her shoes on? She's ready to leave?
Yeah. She did a big workout, huh?
Oh no, she's coming here?
No. Is she an old lady?
I don't know. I can't tell.
She can't even walk. Look at her.
She's taking them off again.
Something's wrong with her.
Why?
Just she's like a Stepford wife. I don't know. She's weird. The way she moves around. You filming her? You got the whole thing on here right now?
Yeah.
The way she took her shoes off and everything? Who's she talking to?
Nobody.
Definitely something's wrong with her. She's either on drugs or she's retarded.
Hey, she's so ugly. She's ugly. She knows she's being filmed, right? What's she doing? What'd she just do?
You have it?
Yeah, what'd she just
I
do?
don't know, maybe.
Fuck you. She's doing fuck you. Jane. She gave somebody the finger.